So as you can tell by the title, this is just gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna show you how to refreshen your box braid, retouch your box braids without actually having to go to the salon or paying to get your braids redone. It's probably about the 4th week I've had my box braids, and they're pretty loose around my edges. But I'm not super picky when it comes to protective styles because, again, they're just protecting my hair. My main goal, so that's what we try to do. Normally what a retouch is just retouching your perimeter, so you'll be able to pull it up and then it'll look like, oh, her braids still look fresh. Oh my god, how do they look so fresh? Oh wow, her stylist, I need to go to her. Yes, Technical Custom, check her out, she's the best. I know, check her. How long you had your braids and they're starting to look a little ratty, depending on how you sleep with them, how you take care of them, how you shower with them, how you lay around with them, all factors in how your braids look. But if you are really particular and you are really careful with your braids, then of course you'll notice that your braids will last longer. And then I don't recommend washing your hair when you have braids in because that's super heavy and that's a lot of tension on your hair, unless you have micros or you have something like really small. A lot of tension on the strands of hair that is in each braid, because that is a lot of water and that's really heavy. What we recommend for people is to try dry shampoo. I've never tried it because, again, I don't wash my braids. I'm not, if it starts to like really stink or really become a problem, I'm just gonna take it out. I recommend oiling your scalp with braids maybe once a week. I haven't oiled my scalp since I've done these, so I'm just gonna go through and apply a generous amount of oil in my front. I'm gonna just do it section by section. Oops, smells so good. Feel like, I don't know, almost shit. Holy. It's that face you make like that, like. I'll see you in my next videos, and make sure you follow me on my business Instagram at JNicole Custom, no underscores or anything. That's just JNicole Custom. See you guys later, and I hope you guys have a very, very merry spooky